my name is Yadira and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to film a quick cleaning video, just kind of like picking up around the house, clearing stuff out of the way and out of the counters and stuff like that. Sometimes our house isn't too dirty and it just needs a quick picking up, so that's pretty much what I did today.
Kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back cause you'd rather stay out with another, talking to strangers and make out spontaneous.
So 2 videos ago it was my birthday, and in this video it was my boyfriend's birthday. His birthday was actually Thursday, but I picked up for it today, which is Sunday. And you know, we just had a couple bags and stuff on the floor that had to be picked up and stuff. But other than that, I kept this cleaning very quick, easy, and simple. Whenever I do a quick clean, I don't really focus on cleaning with products. Just pretty much pick up whatever doesn't belong in the area. So if there are any shoes in the living room, I make sure I put them in the kitchen or upstairs in our bedroom and stuff like that. So whatever didn't belong in the room, I just like cleared it off. But now the dining room table, I had to wipe it down because that's just where we eat and it just gets dirty pretty often with crumbs and stuff. So I just made sure that I wiped that down, as well as the console table that's right there. That console table collects a lot of dust, and because it's black, it's very noticeable. So whenever I do like a very quick clean, I just make sure that I like either wipe it down with my hand or with like a dry towel or with like some cleaning product. So that's pretty much what I did there. I just wiped it down with the Everspring product that I pretty much wiped down everything with. So the little centerpiece from the table I had on the floor because the table had so many of my things on top, and I use it as like an office desk. So I have my laptop, my calendar, my planner, my literally everything, and I use it as like an office desk, which I shouldn't. Like, I have a whole office. Why am I in the dining room table? So in the kitchen, I pretty much just did the dishes because that's just what needed the most attention, and I just cleared off the countertops. It mostly just had water bottles around. So usually when there's a whole bunch of water bottles, what I do is I grab a big water bottle and I dump all the water in that one water bottle. And that way they just don't go to waste, because sometimes you don't know like who drank off that water bottle or how long it's been sitting out. So I typically just take the water from there and just dump it into one big water bottle so they just like don't get thrown away. You can see that's where I get ready because I'm putting my makeup stuff away and anything that I used just to like get ready and stuff. So this room wasn't really dirty, it was just more of cleaning off the desk. Onto the guest room, I cleared off the chair and the bed, and that's the only thing that really needed to be cleaned in there. Now moving on to the bedroom, I made the bed because it just looks cleaner once you do, and I also cleared off the dresser and got rid of any trash we had up there and any clothes as well. So we have come to an end, and this is my quick cleaning motivation for you guys. Sometimes we don't have time to do a full clean, and that's okay. Like you saw, I didn't really use any products to wipe down things, just a dining room table, because my main thing for this video was just to like pick up and stuff. Sometimes we just need those extra 30 minutes or an hour out of our day just to pick up and get our house together. So I hope this video motivated you guys to do that. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do post every Sunday, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.